Hello there, and welcome back. As you know, we can use properties of logarithms to expand logarithmic expressions, and that is what we're going to accomplish in this video. We're going to use properties of logarithms to expand the expression, the natural log of the square root of x cubed over y minus 6. So remember that the basic properties of logarithms involve quantities to powers, products of quantities, and quotients of quantities. The first thing I notice in this expression is that there's a square root applied to an entire expression. So I am going to rewrite this as the natural log of the expression x cubed over y minus 6 raised to the 1/2 power. And at that point, I realize I have the natural log of a quantity to a power. So the power rule of logarithms says I can bring the 1/2 to the front. So that's 1/2 natural log x cubed over y minus 6. Now the quantity inside the logarithm is a quotient, so I'm going to apply the quotient property of logarithms. Now here we have to be careful because this is 1/2 times the natural log of the quotient. So that means that this rewrite is going to be 1/2 times the natural log of the numerator minus the natural log of the denominator. So the 1/2 applies to both terms. And now we're almost there. Notice inside the brackets we have the natural log of x to the third, so I can use the power property once again. So I'm going to rewrite that as 1/2 times 3 times the natural log of x minus the natural log of y minus 6. And if we desire, we could distribute the 1/2. That's probably a better idea. That will give us a more simplified expression. So distributing the 1/2 to each term, we have 3/2 natural log of x minus 1/2 natural log y minus 6. And notice that I'm not trying to expand the natural logarithm of y minus 6. That is because there is no property that applies to the natural log or any logarithm of a difference, or a sum for that matter. So there is only a way to rewrite natural logs or logarithms, any logarithm, of products, quotients, and powers. So this right here is our final answer in expanded form.